So as with all of the e-propulsion series of motors, the tilt and trim, on this boat we do not have a tilt unit. We opted for the on-the-fly jack plate to be able to dial in the height. However, with the e-propulsion motors, you can use a simple pin to be able to get your trim position to dial in your specific boat performance and get that tilt of your boat specifically right when you're underway. Simply, this is at the 0% degree level here. You can see the motor's pretty much directly straight down with the transom, and then all you gotta do is pull that up and let it click into place, and it'll go in those increments all the way up to a fully tilted position if you would like. But the reason why you would have this on your boat and be able to change the trim position is because certain boats ride at certain best at certain levels. So for instance, like this pontoon boat, we don't want it all the way down at the 0 position because it's actually going to try and push the nose down. This performance goes best on this boat actually at the next level up. It keeps the boat a little bit flatter in the water. So it just depends on your type of setup as well as your transom angle. As you can see right here, the transom angle on this boat is pretty close to almost straight upwards. There's no actual really, maybe 5 degrees. But some boats, like for instance a John boat or a Bass Tracker, may have a 17-degree angled transom, and that's when you need to start playing with the trim of your motor.